Hello, Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, depending on where you're watching me from. Yes, I know that every Biafran is happy, not all that happy because freedom has not been given, has not been achieved. But then the court case yesterday, being the 21st of August, was a positive sign. Everything went to the positive direction, as all see and witness. At least we now know and we believe that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is hale and hearty. We know that he's alive, smiling, looking very healthy, very smart, his usual self, and he's refreshed. So this tells me that they are not mishandling him in the dungeon of the DSS. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if you notice, he has become the most important man in the world. He has become the most secured man in the world. He has become the most protected man in the face of the planet. Let me read what Lia Muhammed, Minister of Information of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, said. Let me read it. He said, "It cost the federal government so much in terms of logistics, security, and welfare to bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to court. The DSS is demanding over 500 million naira per session. That was why they couldn't bring him to court the last time. A lot of manpower and security have to be put in place. It's not an easy project. The federal government might need to still borrow a little more money from China to prosecute this case to a logical conclusion." This is coming from Mr. Lia Muhammed, the Minister of Information of the Zoological Republic. This tells you how much they are spending for one man. Don't forget that the zoo paid billions. It was alleged that they paid billions of dollars to kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya, hire a private jet, and brought him to the zoo. This tells you how much they are spending for a single man, an individual. This is how important he has become. Nigeria is the poverty capital of the world. Excuse me for that interruption. Nigeria has become the poverty capital of the world. Instead of the government to use the money for the welfare of the common man, the common masses, the impoverished people, they are spending it for one man. This tells you the mentality of the people who are in charge of governance in that contraption called Nigeria, the Zoological Republic. Now the kind of by all standard has become the most secured head of state in the face of the planet Earth. You saw what happened yesterday in court. The security convoy, the security details were uncountable. They were in their numbers, bringing him to court and taking him back to the headquarters of the DSS. You saw a lot of security vehicles and security personnel, the military, the police, the Air Force, the Navy, the Customs, the DSS, all of them. They are in their thousands just to secure him. And you heard what the Justice Binta Nyako said when Barrister Ejimafo requested for Nnamdi Kanu to be transferred to the correctional center. Justice Binta Nyako said that it is better for him to be in the DSS headquarters where he will be more secured. Of course, they must secure him because they know what will happen. If anything should go wrong, they know. They understand that very, very well. Let me explain to you how this thing looks like. From DSS headquarters, where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being incarcerated to the court, to the High Court in Abuja. It's about an hour drive. And to take him from that place, the headquarters to the court, the zoo spends over 500 million naira. That tells you all you need to know. What a man. The most important man on earth, the most secured man on earth, the most secured head of state, the most protected. If you are in the court premises yesterday, being the 21st of October, you see thousands of security operatives filtered everywhere because of a man. Who wouldn't like to be like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Of course, I wish I'm him, I'm like him, that I'm secured like that way. But you can wish all the wishes you want, but don't forget that the man is suffering a lot for the love he has for his people. I would advise the handlers of the zoo to release this guy before November the 6th. Yesterday, the whole of Southeast and South region was locked down. Total lockdown. No movement, no vehicular movement. Not even a rat can be seen on the road. The whole of the old eastern region was locked down just to show solidarity for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And they want to play with these people, you are making a hell of a mistake. If you are intelligent enough, release this man before the 6th of November, because the 6th of November is the Anambra State gubernatorial election. So if this lockdown continues, what do you think that will happen 6th of November? What do you think that will happen? Nobody will come out to vote. That is very simple arithmetic. Nobody will come out to vote. So if you are wise, if you are intelligent, release him before the 6th of November and plead with him and see if we speak to the people to come out for the November 10 November 6 Anambra elections. His court case has been postponed to November the 10th, and we know there will be victory. There must be victory. His lawyers are coming up with intelligent arguments, and I love what they're doing. I like it so much. Very bright lawyers. Aloy Ejimafo, Aloy Ejimako, and Ifeanyi Ejiofor. I think I'm not making mistakes with their names. And then Bruce Fenn, the famous American lawyer. So they are well equipped to deliver. And also, I believe that Ohanes and Igbo is trying their best. And I know that few Eastern governors are also doing one or two things. And the Eastern senators are also, lawmakers from the East are also doing their own thing. So the whole Igbo world is worried that their son, their illustrious son, is being incarcerated. Why? What was his offense? He was just fighting for the freedom of his people, for the betterment of the Biafra people. And this is why they want him in incarceration at all times. But the truth must prevail. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be released before or on the 10th of November 2021. Fellow Biafrans and lovers of freedom, God bless you all. Let us keep praying for his good health. Bye bye.